kids, and we're going to make Twinkie Mobiles for Easter. We use Twinkies and Peeps for the main part. So first you want to cut it through here, which I already did that part. You want to do a thin part, a thin cut, not too deep. So we are using icing to put everything together, and we're using buttercream icing. And if it's not thick enough for you, you can just use powdered sugar. So first I'm going to put in my Peep. You can choose any color, you can buy these at the store. And first you want to put in just a dab of icing. Then put in your Twinkie. And then put on a little icing here. And then you can use, we're using these cookies, striped cookies for wheels, but you can use mini Oreos, mints, anything. So now we're going to put on the wheels. We are using mini Oreos. We took them in half, and then we're going to take 4, put them on each side like real cars.
On.
Now I have the 4 wheels on, and now we're going to start decorating. Okay, so now we're going to decorate it. You can use any kind of candy, really, but these are the ones we're using. So first, I'm going to take one of these big M&Ms and put a little glue on it, icing. Really, if you are doing this idea, you really got to stick it in there, or it's going to just fall off, because the icing is not that sticky, you know. I took 2 junior mints, and I'm going to use those as headlights. You never want too much icing, or that's going to make them really fall.
Okay,
So I'm gonna take 2 of these mini M&Ms, and you can pick any color which you would like, and just put like a tiny dab of icing on your M&M, and just stick it right there. And these are the headlight, the backlights. I like to put these on a pretty plate for Easter, like in a car race place, you know. And then you just want to follow the same steps I did the ones here, because if you did another way, it wouldn't really turn out that great. So I want one. is our Twinkies, all our Twinkie candy cars all finished. And so on each one, I try to do different details on each one to make it look good. And I really hope you enjoy making these.
I am making a Peep mobile. So you stick these things wherever you want. You pick whatever bunny, like blue, pink, purple, yellow. And I can't put this on. So here. Honk, honk, right there. Then you push it in and it goes like honk, honk. Done! This one's done now. Grandma, I need more icing.
This has been our family tradition, the Twinkie candy mobiles, and I really hope if you do this someday, maybe you could do it and maybe it could be your family tradition.